I'm fine. The easiest lie to say out loud. It fits between a breath and silence. Never asked for proof, never draws a crowd. I wear it like a clean white shirt, button high to hide the bruise. No one questions something simple. No one looks for what I lose. It's not a scream, it's not a fall. It's the quietest collapse of all. Yeah, I'm fine. That's what I tell them every time. A perfect phrase, a clean disguise, a way to end the asking why. No cracks, no blood, no warning sign. Just say the words, I'm doing fine. But every time they let it go, I sink a little more below. There's a weight behind my ribs that doesn't show on any skin. It's just the slow erosion of pretending I still can. I laugh when laughter's needed, not long play my part. It's easier to be convincing than to explain a breaking heart. No alarms, no visible scars, just distance growing in the dark. Yeah, I'm fine. Keeps the world from looking inside. Shuts every door before it starts. Keeps the questions far from this heart. It's not truth, it's just design and fragile shield. Cold, I'm fine. And every time I say the line, I leave a little more behind. Maybe I forgot the moment when the answer first went wrong, when just tired turned into years of trying to stay strong. Now the words come out automatic, like breathing air I don't feel. If I stop to think, I might admit how much of this is real. What if someone stayed after hearing that phrase? Didn't walk away, didn't accept the haze. What if fine wasn't the end, but the place they begin? I wouldn't know what to do if they saw through the skin.